We know you're big and strong.
What's up, bud?
Noah, checking her out. You driving like a big boy?
Hi. Wave?
Hey, bud. Hey, bud. No.
You could pull 50 freight cars, we promise, of iron and steel, because you're a big, strong Henry. Big, strong Henry.
You gonna drive the car?
What nonsense.
You gonna drive the car? Am I in your way here?
What? Yeah?
Henry had delivered his empty freight car.
Is he walking yet?
Here and there. Not really.
Yeah,
Like
holding on, right?
He holds on. Then he's scared. You know? Oh my God, he's so
One day he'll let go.
Yeah, he is little by little.
Yeah.
You have a 1-year-old?
Yeah, he just turned a year
Really?
also. Yeah, last Tuesday
Ah.
he turned a year. And then I have a 6.5-year-old.
Oh wow.
Cool.
Yeah.
So that's a good
Yeah.
age difference.
Yeah, he helps out.
Look at you with your first haircut.
Yeah, good boy.
So what do you think we're gonna? What do you suggest we do? It's mostly long, like in the back.
Yeah, over the ears.
Over the
Yes,
years,
over the
yeah.
ears. Just a little trim.
Yeah, I'll just give it a trim and a shaping. There's no shape right now.
A little shapey.
Look, he's got like a bald spot right here.
I'm gonna put some hair down
Oh my
of
God.
this, and then I'll put it in the bag.
Noah's getting a haircut. Yes.
He's a good boy.
Oh my God. Noah, look here. Oh, no, stay there.
He's such a good boy.
Wow, you have to have a lot of patience for this.
Well, we're used to it. We do this all the time.
Really?
So.
Oh my God. I love that little move you have on.
Yeah.
You want to go and
No, it's good. So you do adults in here too, or just?
Yeah, we do adults in the back. We had a lot of hair.
Alright.
He's like so curious.
Yeah. He's like, what are they
He's
doing?
just like, what is she doing?
Oh, my little boy.
He's
Sitting
sitting good.
real good,
You're
right?
a good boy. You're going to get a prize. You're going to get a big present after this. Huh?
One car at a time.
You're a good boy. Yay. I love it. He's like, yeah. What's going on here? Drive the car. Drive the car, Noah. Drive the car. Uh-oh. You're not getting upset, right?
Big boy.
Noah's a big boy.
Big boy.
Aww, he's so cute.
Is he looking at the mirror?
I don't know. Uh-oh, is the battery dying? How do we...